Hey guys, welcome to another video of React Router. Now in this video we'll talk about what happens if you entered any sort of unknown URL, suppose anything like this. You can see that it is not displaying anything, okay, and it is not a very good behavior. So what we can do is we can create a not found page component whenever we encounter an undefined or unknown URL. Okay, so what we have to do is I've created a nopage.js component. It's gonna simply display no page found whenever an unwanted URL or undefined URL is encountered. So what we can do is we can go to app.js. We can, first of all, we have to import our no page. So we're gonna import no page from pages slash no page, and I'm gonna add another route here to, sorry, it's going to be path is equals to, and I'm going to add star, and the element would be no page that I have imported. Now this star, what does signify? It signifies any other route or path that is not from the above mentioned. So how routes are being checked? So first of all, this one would be checked, this one would be checked, and so on. So routes are checked in this order. What star signifies, okay, you have searched all of the routes above, you haven't find the requested, then you're going to display this one. Suppose I have written anything, any arbitrary thing, and it's not in the above paths, or it's not in the path attribute of the above routes, then it's going to by default display or render this component. That's what star does. Let's see this in effect on our application. So as you can see, this was any arbitrary URL that I entered and it is showing no page found. You can see everything else is working perfectly fine. Let me just write anything else. So you can see no page found. So it's providing a default sort of behavior. You might have heard of switch cases in programming. So what happens with default is you're gonna display that, or you're gonna execute that once all of the cases they don't match the requested input. So that is how you handle no page found in React Router. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Share this video, like it, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.